Welcome back to RVP Auto1, your go-to destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a comparison that speaks directly to business owners, fleet managers, transporters, and even large families, because we're talking about two practical, durable, and versatile vans, the Toyota Hiace and the Dacia Docker van. Both of these vans have carved out their own niches in the commercial vehicle market, but when they go head-to-head, which one truly offers the better package? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down, from design to practicality, performance to reliability. Let's kick things off with the Toyota Hiace. This name has been around for decades, and for good reason. The Hiace is known across the globe for its rugged dependability, spacious interior, and long-lasting engine. The 2025 version of the Hiace carries forward that legacy with a refreshed look and some subtle but important tweaks. Toyota has retained the boxy and functional design, which isn't winning any beauty contests, but for a van that's made to work hard every day, it gets the job done perfectly. The big front grille, clear headlamps, and high roof give it that signature professional appeal. Under the hood, the Toyota Hiace is powered by a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, producing about 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. It's matched to either a 6-speed manual or automatic gearbox. And let's be honest, this powertrain is a workhorse. It's made for long hauls, heavy loads, and non-stop daily driving. Whether you're running delivery services or transporting passengers, the Hiace won't break a sweat. The ride comfort in the Hiace has significantly improved over the years. The independent front suspension and leaf spring rear setup make it more stable, especially when loaded. It's not exactly a luxury experience, but for a commercial van, it's one of the more refined rides you can get. The cabin is well thought out, with hard-wearing materials, easy-to-reach controls, and practical storage spaces. Air conditioning, power windows, a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth and USB, and even a rear-view camera are now becoming standard in many variants. It's not flashy, but it's got everything you need to run your business or transport your people efficiently. Now let's bring the Dacia Docker van into the spotlight. Known for its budget-friendly pricing and no-nonsense functionality, the Docker is a favorite among small business owners and startups looking for affordability without compromising on essential features. The exterior is more compact than the Hiace, which makes the Docker ideal for navigating tight city streets and urban deliveries. The design is simpler, less intimidating, and a bit more modern thanks to Dacia's latest front-end styling. It's narrower and lower than the Hiace, which gives it an advantage in maneuverability. Under the bonnet, the Docker van typically comes with a 1.5-liter DCI diesel engine, delivering around 95 to 115 horsepower, depending on the variant. It's not a beast like the Hiace, but for its size and purpose, the Docker holds its own very well. It's fuel-efficient, light on maintenance, and perfect for city operations. The engine is mated to a 5 or 6-speed manual transmission, and there's no automatic version, something to consider if your drivers prefer auto gearboxes. The interior of the Docker van is practical and minimalistic. There's enough space in the cabin for 2 passengers, with durable plastics and straightforward controls. The loading area in the back is surprisingly roomy for its compact footprint, with wide rear doors and a sliding side door that makes loading and unloading much easier. The payload capacity is around 750 kilograms, which is less than the Hiace but still decent for urban transport. Needs. Features like air conditioning, a basic media system, and electric windows are available, though higher trims get better tech and comfort upgrades. Now let's talk about versatility. The Hiace is a giant in this department. It comes in multiple configurations: cargo van, crew van, minibus, and even camper variants. The sheer volume it offers is unmatched, with cargo capacity stretching beyond 9 cubic meters depending on the model. Whether you're transporting tools, passengers, or transforming it into a mobile office, the Hiace can handle it. The payload ranges from 1,000 to 1,200 kilograms, and towing capacity is over 1.5 tons. That makes it ideal for serious commercial use. On the other hand, the Docker van is more of a compact multitasker. It's suited for small business deliveries, local tradesmen, and services that require agility more than brute capacity. Its dual sliding doors, compact size, and efficient engine make it perfect for city logistics, flower deliveries, tech equipment transport, and small package couriers. It won't carry as much as a Hiace, but it also won't drink as much fuel or need as much parking space. It's smart, efficient, and easy to drive. Safety-wise, Toyota has stepped up its game. The latest Hiace models come with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes lane departure alert, pre-collision system, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. ABS, traction control, hill start assist, and multiple airbags come standard. For a van, this is a solid safety package. The Docker, being a more affordable option, keeps things basic. ABS, front airbags, rear parking sensors, and hill start assist are included in most models, but it lacks the more advanced safety tech you'll find in the Hiace. However, for its price point, the Docker still offers decent protection and driving confidence. Now let's talk about running costs. Here's where the Docker really shines. With its smaller engine, lighter body, and low maintenance cost, it's one of the cheapest vans to own and run. Parts are widely available and cheap, and it sips diesel like a compact car. For small businesses or startups that need to watch every penny, the Docker is a smart buy. The Hiace, while more powerful and capable, comes with higher running costs. The bigger engine consumes more fuel, and maintenance can be slightly costlier depending on the market. But if you need something that lasts a decade or more with minimal downtime, the Hiace makes sense as a long-term investment. Let's not forget resale value. Toyota has one of the strongest reputations for durability, which means the Hiace holds its value incredibly well over time. It's always in demand in both domestic and export markets. The Docker doesn't enjoy the same prestige, but due to its affordability, it also sees decent resale demand, especially in local service sectors. Which van should you choose? If your needs involve heavy loads, long routes, multiple passengers, and you plan to keep your van for years, the Toyota Hiace is worth every extra dollar. It's built like a tank, comfortable enough for long days on the road, and comes with the backing of Toyota's legendary reliability. But if you're running a small business that mostly operates within the city, and you're looking for a cost-effective, easy-to-drive van that does the job without overkill, the Dacia Docker van is a fantastic choice. It's nimble, economical, and offers real value where it matters most. Both vans deliver in their respective lanes. One's a heavyweight hauler, the other's a nimble urban companion. It all comes down to what you need and how you plan to use it. Thanks for tuning into RVP Auto1. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let us know in the comments which van fits your needs best, or if there's another workhorse you'd like us to review next. Until then, drive safe and stay smart on the road.